Welcome to Radiopaedia, where consistency is the key. Today, we are diving into the world of capitalization and how it impacts our articles and cases. Capitalization may seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in maintaining a uniform style across our site. Let us start with titles and subheadings. Whether it is an article title, a case title, or a subheading within an article, we follow the rule of sentence case. For example, myeloma with extraskeletal involvement, where only the first word is capitalized. And of course, we never want all capital letters. We don't shout here. In bulleted and numbered lists, we like to keep it simple. No unnecessary capitalization unless the term deserves it on its own. When it comes to abbreviations, the use of capitals depends on the specific abbreviation. Please make sure to check our accepted abbreviations list for guidance. We look forward to seeing your case on our edit list soon.